Let us show you how to properly clean the iMOW robotic mower. Before you start cleaning the mower, you have to activate the device lock. You can do so by pressing the stop button once. Then press the stop button again and keep it pressed until the light strip fully lights up red. Then press stop again. When the light strip flashes a second time, the device lock is enabled. You can now clean or service the robotic mower. For optimal cleaning results and to remove persistent stains, we recommend the Care and Clean Kit. Easy to use and efficient in application. The transport bag of the kits contains STIHL multi-clean and a practical spray bottle, a cleaning brush with a scraper, and 2 microfiber cloths. Rest the robotic mower against a stable wall for cleaning. Remove the blade disc to enable you to thoroughly clean the mower. First, remove the coarse dirt with a brush. For more persistent residues, you can also use the integrated scraper. You can now rinse off the dirt with a soft water jet. To prevent any damage to the device, please do not use a high-pressure washer. Finally, remove the loose dirt and any residues of the cleaning agent at the charging contacts with a moist microfiber cloth. After cleaning, remount the blade disc on the device. To do so, place the disc and fixing nut on the drive shaft and firmly screw down the fixing nut. If necessary, you can now also clean the entire housing of the robotic mower with STIHL multi-clean and a microfiber cloth.